what if I told you that one of the best anti-aging treatments you can find isn't in some fancy, expensive bottle, but it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now? We're about to dive into a simple, incredibly cheap, and seriously powerful DIY face mask. Yep, you heard me right, 20 cents. That's about what it costs to whip up this amazing anti-aging skin treatment. And according to our source, it can actually work even better than a lot of those expensive creams you see on the shelves. So could this really be the most effective anti-aging cream out there? I mean, that's a huge claim, right? But the benefits are pretty incredible. We're talking about skin that feels tighter, is deeply nourished, and even helps lighten up blemishes or dark spots. It's all about getting that fresh, youthful glow without emptying your wallet. So what's the secret ingredient? It's just a simple egg. And we're going to start with the first part, the clear part, which is known for its amazing tightening ability, the egg white. Okay, so here's how it works. The egg white is what you'd call a natural astringent. When you put it on your skin and it starts to dry, it literally tightens everything up. This is what helps make your pores and those little fine lines look so much smaller. It's the secret sauce behind that facelift feeling. And doing it couldn't be easier. You just separate the white from the yolk, give it a little whisk, and smooth a thin layer over your face. Then you just hang out for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will actually feel your skin getting tighter and firmer as it dries. It's a really cool sensation. But hold on, we're not done yet. We can actually take this to a whole other level. Now, let's talk about the part most people just toss out, the egg yolk. This little golden orb is the nutritional upgrade that turns this from a simple tightening mask into a real powerhouse treatment for your skin. So it's really important to see how these two parts have totally different jobs. The egg white, that's your tightener. It gives you that instant lift. The egg yolk, on the other hand, is all about feeding your skin, delivering this rich dose of vitamins and nutrients right where they're needed most. And just look at what's packed inside that yolk. It's loaded with all these amazing nutrients for your skin. You've got vitamins A, D, E, and K, a whole bunch of B vitamins, and choline. Our source points out that vitamin A, for instance, is super important for preventing that rough, dry skin feeling, while vitamin E is a fantastic antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage. So when you add the yolk back in, you're not just getting a temporary tightening effect anymore. No, you're adding this incredible healing and regenerative element that actually nourishes your skin for real long-term health. Okay, you ready? Let's put it all together and make the complete, supercharged anti-aging mask. It's super simple. You just combine the egg white and the yolk. Now, if you want to give it an extra boost, our source recommends adding about a teaspoon of plain organic yogurt. Why? Well, that adds some good probiotics to support your skin's microbiome. You know, that natural protective layer. Then just apply it, wait 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry, and rinse it off. For the best results, try doing this a couple of times a week. All right, so we've covered what to put on our skin. But to really get the best results, our source says we have to think about nourishing our skin from the inside out too. And that's exactly why eating eggs is so important. They're basically a superfood. They contain the highest quality protein you can possibly eat, and that protein is the fundamental building block for healthy skin. So, how many should you be eating? Well, the suggestion from our source is that men can have around 4 eggs a day, and for women, maybe 2 or 3. It's really about giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair itself and build strong, healthy cells. And here's a really quick but super important tip on how you cook them. If you're frying your eggs, make sure you're using a healthy fat, like olive oil, real butter, or coconut oil. You definitely want to stay away from those inflammatory seed oils like corn oil. So if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this powerful 2-pronged attack. You use the egg mask to treat your skin from the outside in, and you eat eggs to build and nourish that beautiful skin from the inside out. It's a total game changer. It really makes you think, doesn't it? Maybe the most powerful skincare ingredients aren't in a lab, but they're already sitting in your refrigerator. So the only question left is, are you ready to find your next beauty secret right there in your own kitchen?